Simple Cooking Channel.
Alright, this is really easy. For this, just get a square baking tin and a round baking tin and just bake a cake. Now you can just look at lots of my other cakes and choose a recipe. I've just made a basic chocolate cake. You just take it out of here, put it at this angle so it's like a diamond. Now I just put some frosting, icing, whatever, all over the top. Now for this you can use M&M's, Skittles, Smarties, whatever. Place them wherever you want. Oh yeah. There you go. Really easy. Just a square cake, circular cake, put it together like that and just put M&M's, Skittles, Smarties, whatever on it like that, and you get this awesome giant heart cake where you didn't even need a mold for it. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah, how awesome is that?